What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Roshana and today I am back with another hair review. Today's hair is from Recool Hair and this is a beautiful, extremely soft body wave hair and frontal from Recool Hair. Everything about them will be in the description box down below. Shout out to them for sponsoring this video. And if you guys want to know more about my experience with this gorgeous, luscious body wave hair, just keep on watching. So guys, this is what the hair is going to first look like when you receive it. It just says Recool Hair, version human hair, and has all their social media on the bag. And then inside the bag, they have the 3 bundles. And then as you can see, I have an 18, a 20 inch, and a 22 inch bundle. And then of course a 16 inch frontal, which is so, oh my god, I love the frontal, but we'll get into that later. So as you can see while I opened the frontal, it comes with pre-made baby hair, which is super helpful, and just look how beautiful it is. So now to the bundle. This is a 22 inch bundle, and as you guys can see, it is body wave, and it looks like this. And then it also comes with a little pocket mirror, which is super cute. And then it also comes with a flyer that has all their information. So Recool Hair did reach out to me and they sent me this body wave hair. The inches are 18, 20, and 22 inches. So they sent me 3 bundles and then a 16 inch frontal, which is what I have in now. And let me just say, before we even get into this really, the frontal is everything. It was so pre-plucked. It was so pre-plucked. I can't stop saying that, guys. It was pre-plucked to the gods. Like, it was just the perfect hairline. I didn't have to do anything. But for the part, I did pluck a little bit, but like I barely plucked it. I plucked it for like maybe 2 minutes. And I didn't even really go hard or anything because I had already glued the unit onto my head. So I didn't really want to pull it, you know. And once I did like 2, I plucked like 3 pieces of hair and I swear everything looked even better. So I recommend their frontal for sure. But let's get more in depth with the hair, so let's get into the facts about this hair. So this hair is Brazilian body wave, and like I said before, it was 3 bundles. I did use all 3 bundles to complete the wig. Obviously I made it into a wig myself, and guys, this hair, from the beginning, just the bundles felt so soft. And I've been wearing this hair on and off for about a week and a half now because I wanted to give a very real review on the hair, and Jesus, the hair is still so soft. Like, I can't stop running my hands through my hair. This has to be like my top 5 within that category of softest natural color hair that I've ever received. Like, this hair is so soft, you guys. I'm not kidding you. So as you guys can see, I did get a body wave texture, so I did not put any heat towards the bottom of the hair. Like, I obviously took the hot comb to lay down my hair, but like towards the ends I did not put any curling iron, any flat iron. I didn't do anything to the bottom of the hair. So these curls that you guys see is what it came with. So this body wave was not no body wave. Like, this body wave was completely like body wave, you guys. Like, my hair, I've been wearing this for about 3, almost 4 days straight, but on and off I've been wearing it for a week. And guys, let me tell you, I took naps in this hair. I accidentally fell asleep with this hair, like, without putting it up correctly. And the curls are still so deep. Not the curls, the wave. The body wave looks amazing, honestly. Like, and once again, I can't stop running my hands through my hair. It's so soft. You don't have to worry about putting it up in a ponytail and then it, like, getting the curls weird. Like, I braided the hair before and it's perfectly fine. Like, the curl pattern stays, and I absolutely love that because body wave hair always usually loses their texture pretty fast and it turns into either straight hair or just a weird looking type of body wave. But this body wave hair looks so flawless, guys, and it's literally, honestly, that flawless. So I was really impressed with just the way that the hair felt. The texture was amazing. It looks amazing. And like, all I did for product wise, I didn't even use no leave-in conditioner. I just used like an oil based spray, and I sprayed that all over my hair, and that would just make it look a little more glossy. That makes sense, like a little more shiny. And then I would just comb my hair with either a brush like this or even just a regular comb. Like, you can comb this hair with whatever you want. You don't have to be picky. And I did not get any shedding. Like, right now I'm combing through the hair even with my hands. I'm pulling the ends and I'm not getting any shedding. So this hair is really good. Like, I definitely recommend this hair, you guys. Everything about Recool hair will be in the description box down below. Make sure you guys go check them out. Their natural hair is literally amazing. Like, I'm not even kidding you. This has to be one of my top 5 qualities. Like, it just feels out of this world. I would actually purchase this hair. So now let's get back into the frontal. As I said earlier, the frontal was super pre-plucked, which I do like. I feel like if the frontal isn't plucked correctly, it can just mess up the whole entire look. So they literally, I didn't have to do any plucking around the frontal, like around the edges. No, it was perfectly fine. It came so super pre-plucked. When I was constructing this wig, I was so excited to put this thing on. Like, you guys have no clue. It looked so flawless. And when I put it on, I was just as happy. Only thing is, of course, you know, frontals never fit my head because I have a really weird shaped head. If you ever heard me say this in my previous videos, I had to cut a little bit off. But if you have a bigger head, which you probably will because I have a really small head, the frontal is going to fit you perfectly. So I just had to cut, like, trim a little bit of the edges of the frontal, if that makes sense, like the ends around the ears. I had to cut that a little bit, but I usually have to do that for all my frontals. I just thought I'd let you guys know. So yeah, the frontal is definitely, if you want a really pre-plucked frontal, this is the frontals to get, honestly. What I realized is different companies provide different type of frontals, which I know it shouldn't be a shocker, but like, they really do. Like, some of them don't have it pre-plucked at all. Some of them have it pre-plucked a little bit, so like the beginning looks good and then it looks so natural and then it just looks so weird. And then they have some companies like Recool that pluck your frontal so well that it looks so natural and you don't have to worry about having like a crazy look at the front of your head. Like, this frontal was just so beautiful, guys. I cannot stress it. If you don't want to buy the bundles, by any chance, buy the frontal. But I definitely recommend the bundles too. They haven't given me any issue. I'm absolutely loving this hair. I'm gonna take this hair on vacation with me because this hair is just awesome. Like, this is my go-to hair. Like, if you just want to look natural but you want to look cute, like the curls, look at that. Like, the curls ain't going nowhere. Usually I would have to curl hair to get it like this way with a curling iron. I literally had to curl nothing. So I definitely love this hair. When it came to maintaining it, it was very low maintenance. Like, I did not have to do much work to it. Usually to go to sleep, I just braid my hair in 2 and then put it up in my bonnet and go to sleep. So even though I braid the hair, it wouldn't change the pattern of the hair or anything. That's 1. 2, all I have to do when I wake up is just take off the bonnet, unloose the braids, comb it, and I'm good to go, honestly. Now, if I want to add some mousse around the edges just to get any flyaways down, then I do that. But other than that, this hair is so low maintenance, guys. That's literally it. You're good to go. You don't have to worry about getting the curling iron or getting the hot comb. Like, once you deal with this hair once, you're pretty much good. So guys, once again, everything about Recool hair will be in the description box down below. In the description box, I'm going to have the direct link to this hair as well as any other hair that they're having, along with any promotion codes that they're having at the moment. So definitely go check them out. Guys, one of my favorite natural color hairs ever. Like, they're up there with the scale. I would not be lying to you guys. I'm not going to lie to my babies. This hair is really good, guys. I suggest you guys go check it out. And other than that, you guys, that is the end of this video. I love if you guys watch till the end, and I'll see you guys in my next video.